Hello students, I am Sabiha Rahman, lecturer, Department of English, Bright School and College. Today I am going to talk about a new thing. Let's see. So what can you see in the picture? A flower is a sign of beauty. So today you'll have to guess what am I going to teach. Everyone should know how to operate a computer. Eat an orange every day. An umbrella is useful in rain. The sun gives light to all equally. Study the Quran to know Islam. Can you guess what are the picture about? Yes, article. Our today's lesson is article. So learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to define articles, use article a and an properly, use special use of articles. The moon shines at night. An elephant is bigger than a lion. A cat is compared with a tiger. What are called articles? See, the, a, an. Articles determiner. That means the, a and an, these three words are called article. Article is also called determiner. What are the divisions of article? Let's see. There are two kinds of article, that's definite and indefinite. The is definite article, a and an are indefinite articles. Definite article is used to particularize a noun, to specify a noun, and indefinite article is used to generalize a noun. That means generally to say to before any noun to specify it generally. He is dash European. U. So you must remember the sound U. If the sound is U, then there will be A. Give me a 1 taka note. Wa. The sound is wa. So though the first letter is vowel, that means A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So though the first letter E and O are vowel, but the sound is U and wa. If the sound is U and wa, there will be A instead of N. So A is used before the sound of U and wa. Okay, follow some examples. A European, a union. See, the sounds are U or wa. European, union, a university, a useful book, a unique scene, a 1 rupee note, a 1 idea, a higher secondary school. Mr. Amin is dash MBBS. So when we pronounce M, then first what sound comes? Then A comes. The sound A comes first, isn't it? When we pronounce M, then the sound A comes first. A. MBBS. A. So there is, if there is A, it's a vowel sound, so there will be N. He is dash honest man. When H is pronounced like A, then there will be N instead of A. Though H is a consonant, but if the pronunciation of H is like vowel, then there will be N. O, an honest man. I will come after dash hour. See, here also H is pronounced like a vowel. Hour. That's why instead of A, here will be N. N is used before the sound of A or A. An hour, H is silent. An honest, H is silent here. An MA, M, if we tell M, then A comes first. The sound A comes first. An MP, when we say M, then A, the sound A comes first. An LLB, when we pronounce L, then the sound A comes first. That's why N. And MLA, M, when we will tell M, the sound A, that means vowel sound, comes first. That's why here will be N. And SDO, S, when we say S, then the sound A comes first. Vowel sound A comes first. That's why here will be N. And HS, school, H, A comes first. That's why N. But remember, we have a projector in our class. Here will be A because P is a consonant. He sent me an email. Here will be N because E is a vowel. U, wa, A or A. Here this type of sound doesn't come. That's why here will be N. P. P is a consonant. That's why A. And email, E. There was no U, wa, this type of sound. That's why N. When you will find no sound of U, wa, A or A, what will you do? Let's see. If you find a consonant as the first letter of the word, that means this word B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants. So when you will see these consonants as the first letter of any word, you have to write A before the word. He is a boy. B. Consonant. Okay. Again remember, if you find a vowel as the first letter of the word, that means A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel. You have to write N before the word. It's dash import. That means here will be N because I is a vowel. It's an ink pot. So the answer will be N because the vowel doesn't sound like U, wa or A, A. U, wa. You have to remember too that A or N is always used before a single noun. That means if the noun is plural, there will never be used A or N. A or N will never be used before a plural noun. It must have to be singular because A or N means one. I have a pen. I have a pens. It's a wrong sentence because pens it's plural noun, that's why there will be no a. Right? Wrong. This is an egg. It's a correct sentence. This is an egg. It's a wrong sentence because if there is an, that means one egg. So there will be no plural noun. Some common used articles. Let's practice. A boy, a book, a bag, a cat, a chair, a dog, a horse, a lion, a mango, a student, a woman, a table, a tiger, a tree, an ass, an ant, an apple, an arm, an egg, an ear, an eye, an elephant, an ink pot, an ice cream, an idiot, an ox, an orange, an umbrella. So let's check if the vowel, if the first letter of the word is vowel and if it sounds like u or wa, then there will be a instead of n. Otherwise, if the first letter is vowel, that means a, e, I, o, u, there will be n. Again, if the first letter of any word is h and it sounds like o, then there will be n instead of a. If the h is silent, that means. Otherwise, if the first letter of the word is consonant, there will be a. Special use of a. A is used before the sense of a person. You are a Nazrul, I see. That means here is a comparison. You are compared with Nazrul. So here Nazrul is a comparison. That's why here will be a. So if there is comparison, there will be a or n. The superlative most, when it means very. When most means very, there will be a. I saw a most wonderful sight. That means very wonderful sight. It is a most interesting story. Dr. Rubina is dash FRCS. F. So I think you can answer it. First of all, you will pause this video and tell the answer. Then you will match with my answer. Mr. Rubina is an FRCS. Yes. He is dash one-eyed boy. So here will be wa. Vowel is pronounced like wa. So here must be n instead. Here must be a instead of n. Mr. Doha is dash BA. So here will be what? BE. That means B comes first and vowel comes later. So here will not be N. Here will be A. This is dash unique picture. U. Remember, if the vowel sounds like U or WA, there will be A instead of N. Let us go out for a walk. It's one kind of use of A or N. For a walk. This is a U. So U, the vowel is pronounced like U. That's why here will be A instead of N. Okay, let's practice. I have dash mobile phone. So it's mobile. The first letter M is a consonant. So here will be A. I have a mobile phone. In case of consonant, you have to remember one thing, that's H. If the H is silent, if the H is not pronounced, there will be N instead of A. Otherwise, if the first letter of any word is consonant, there will be a. There will be a. Just remember it. So I have a mobile phone. He is a brilliant boy. B is a consonant. You showed dash excellent. E is a vowel, so there will be n. And this vowel doesn't pronounce like u or wa. That's why here will not be a. Here will be n. You showed an excellent performance. Sadiq is a university student. U. If the vowel is pronounced like u or wa, there will be a, though the first letter is vowel. He takes dash hour to go there. He takes an hour, because here h is silent. So here is your home task. You pause the video and then match the answer with my answers. Jaif is dash meritorious student. Meritorious student. M is consonant. That's why A. Jaif is a meritorious student. He studies in a renowned school. Here will be a, because R is a consonant. The first letter R is a consonant. There is an expert headmaster. There is an expert. Why? Because E is a vowel, and the vowel doesn't pronounce like, and the vowel is not pronounced like u or wa. That's why here will be n. He is an honest man. H. In case of H, if the H is silent, there will be n. He is an honest man. The school has achieved a unique position in regard of result. Unique. So the vowel u is pronounced like u. So remember, if the vowel is pronounced like u or wa, there will be a instead of n. So that's all for today. Thank you.